Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, let's dive into the life and achievements of the remarkable Grace Hopper, often referred to as the Queen of Code. Grace Hopper was a true luminary, a trailblazer who carved her own path in the predominantly male-dominated field of computer science. Born in the early 20th century, she defied societal norms and expectations, leading a revolution that would change the face of technology forever. Hopper's contributions have left an indelible mark on the world of computing. Her pioneering work in developing computer languages and her role in the creation of the first commercial computer software are testament to her genius. Her influence extends beyond her groundbreaking work. She inspired and continues to inspire countless individuals to follow in her footsteps and explore the fascinating world of computer science. So, buckle up as we embark on an exciting journey exploring the life and legacy of one of the greatest computer scientists in history. Let's dive into her incredible journey. Grace Hopper was born on December 9, 1906 in New York City. She grew up with a curious mind and a love for mathematics. From a young age, Grace had an insatiable appetite for understanding how things worked. This was evident in her penchant for dismantling alarm clocks just to uncover the secrets behind their ticking mechanisms. Grace was raised in an era where women were often discouraged from pursuing intellectual interests, especially in the fields of science and technology. But Grace, being the trailblazer she was, refused to be confined by societal norms. She was fortunate enough to have parents who recognized her unique talents and fostered her curiosity. They encouraged her to explore her interests, regardless of the conventional roles assigned to women at the time. This nurturing environment laid the foundation for Grace's future endeavors. It was the breeding ground for her innovative spirit. Her early fascination with technology and her unyielding determination to challenge the status quo were the first steps in her journey to becoming the Queen of Code. Her parents encouraged her curiosity and set her on a path of lifelong learning. In 1943, in the thick of World War II, Grace Hopper made a decision that would set the course for her unprecedented journey. She decided to join the United States Navy. This was a choice that not only reflected her patriotism, but also her courage and determination. She was 36, an age beyond the Navy's preferred range, and she had a thriving career in academia. But Grace was not one to be deterred by challenges. She was assigned to the Bureau of Ships Computation Project at Harvard University, where she encountered the Mark I computer. This massive machine, stretching 51 feet long and 8 feet high, was one of the world's first electromechanical computers. Grace's mathematical prowess was instrumental in programming this behemoth, laying the foundation for her future contributions to computer science. Little did she know that this decision would change her life and the world of computing forever. In the late 1950s, Grace Hopper embarked on a groundbreaking project. She led a team that developed the COBOL programming language. COBOL, which stands for Common Business-Oriented Language, was a revolutionary concept. It was designed specifically for business data processing, a departure from the scientific and mathematical focus of existing programming languages. Hopper's vision was to create a language that was closer to English, making it more intuitive and easier to use. This was a radical idea, as most programming languages at the time were complex and difficult to learn. But Hopper was undeterred. She believed in the power of simplicity and the potential of making programming more accessible. The impact of COBOL on the world of computing was profound. It became the foundation for many modern business software systems and is still in use today. Grace's dedication to standardizing computer languages made software development more accessible to everyone. Now, here's where the term debugging comes into play. One day, Grace and her team encountered a glitch in the Mark II computer. As they meticulously searched for the source of the problem, they discovered an actual moth trapped in the machine's inner workings. This unexpected encounter led to the coining of the term debugging. So, every time you're troubleshooting a problem in your code, remember the curious case of Grace Hopper and the literal bug in her machine. This incident gave birth to the term debugging, which is now a common part of computer science lingo. Grace Hopper's legacy continues to inspire generations of computer scientists. Her dedication to innovation and her pioneering spirit paved the way for women in technology. Hopper's remarkable journey and her indomitable spirit have left an indelible mark on the world of computing. Her contributions, from the creation of COBOL to the concept of debugging, have revolutionized the field. Today, we see more women than ever pursuing careers in tech, and we owe much of this progress to Grace Hopper, the Queen of Code.